Are you looking for the best 3D scanner in 2025? Whether it's for precision modeling, creative projects, or business needs, we've tested the top contenders. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Revopoint MIRACO. This is the best 3D scanner on the market today. Unlike traditional scanners requiring an external computer, the MIRACO features onboard processing with integrated software and a 2K AMOLED touchscreen for unmatched convenience. Weighing just 750 grams, it's lightweight and ergonomic, with a flip-out screen and two-handed grip for ease of use. Its quad-depth camera and structured infrared light system handle objects of all sizes, with mode switching mid-scan. Offering precision up to 0.05 millimeters, it delivers professional-grade accuracy. A 48-megapixel RGB camera captures vibrant textures and colors, seamlessly integrating mesh and texture data. Tools like a distance graph and single or continuous shooting modes simplify the process for all skill levels. Though pricey, its advanced features and exceptional performance make it a top choice for those seeking the best. Number 2. Creality CR-Scan Ferret Pro. It stands out with its lightweight 105 grams design, making it highly portable and easy to handle. Offering 0.16 millimeters accuracy, it captures intricate details effortlessly. With Wi-Fi 6 integration, data transfer to smartphones or PCs is fast and seamless. Anti-shake tracking and the intuitive Creality Scan software enhance usability, ensuring smooth operation. Compatible with Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS, the Ferret Pro is simple to set up. Its rechargeable handle provides 2.5 hours of battery life, ideal for extended scanning sessions, though file processing is best done while plugged in to conserve power. Adapting well to different geometries and textures, it delivers reliable results with proper lighting. Features like visual tracking, customizable scanning modes, and user-friendly software make it a cost-effective and versatile choice. Number 3. 3D Maker Pro Seal 3D Scanner. It delivers exceptional single-frame precision of 0.01 millimeters, surpassing many consumer-grade models. Weighing just 254 grams, it's lightweight and portable, ideal for maneuvering around objects and working in tight spaces. While its plastic front panel raises some durability concerns, its compact design remains practical. Connectivity is handled via USB-A, and it integrates smoothly with JM Studio software, offering real-time feedback and frame counts. With 24-bit color capture and a CMOS sensor that processes data in real time, it ensures accurate texture replication without additional workflows. Though its low frame rate demands slower movements, the Seal's outstanding accuracy and color fidelity make it a strong option for beginners and hobbyists. It offers professional-grade results at an affordable price, though investing in extra accessories may enhance performance further. Number 4. Matter-Inform 3D Scanner 5.2. Looking for a portable 3D scanner? The Matter-Inform 3D scanner packs convenience and durability into a foldable briefcase-style design. This compact housing protects its laser-based scanner, making it travel-friendly and robust. It also comes with 4 interchangeable power plugs for global compatibility. While its 3-kilogram weight limit might not suit large or heavy models, it excels with smaller subjects. The included MF Studio software generates watertight meshes with color surfaces, ready for Blender, Autodesk Maya, Max, or 3D printing. High-speed scan mode allows you to test subject scannability quickly, ideal for regular 3D printer users prepping for adjustments or treatments. Compatible with Mac and Windows, this scanner is a reliable portable solution for hobbyists and professionals working with small-scale projects. Number 5. Revopoint Inspire 3D Scanner. This is an excellent entry-level 3D scanner, perfect for hobbyists and beginners. Its affordable price, portability, and straightforward operation make it ideal for scanning medium-sized objects. While its 0.2mm accuracy isn't on par with high-end models, it's more than adequate for basic projects. With a scanning speed of 14 to 18 frames per second and an easy setup process, it's beginner-friendly and efficient. The included turntable and tripod enhance usability, though the absence of a carry case and its lower precision are minor trade-offs. Overall, the Inspire offers a budget-friendly and practical starting point for 3D scanning enthusiasts. So, which is the best? After extensive testing, the Revopoint MIRACO takes the crown for its incredible accuracy, ease of use, and versatility. Ready to elevate your 3D scanning game? Links are in the description.